Geomagic Design gives designers and engineers a powerful, easy-to-use mechanical design software to make amazing products. In this video, you'll see how this professional CAD software from 3D Systems lets you create, assemble, validate, document, and render designs for 3D printing and every other manufacturing method. Let's take a look at how easy Geomagic Design is to use, even when handling data from large and complex products, like this 3D Systems Project 3D printer. Our Project printers have thousands of parts, and in this example we'll be working specifically on the pulley assembly that controls the motion of the printer's build platform. Let's start by designing the pulley wheel. Most design begins with a sketch, and Geomagic Design's sketching tools are awesome. As we place entities, we can constrain dimensions and relationships to other entities on the fly rather than add them in later. Contextual menus predict what you'll need at each step, making the design process faster. We'll revolve this sketch around a central axis to create the wheel as a solid body. Once we've added finishing touches like fillets, chamfers, and patterned holes, we can send the part to the assembly module to begin to build a functional virtual model. We designed our own wheel, but Geomagic Design provides access to part libraries featuring millions of standard parts, so we could have also used something off the shelf. Now let's add another part to this assembly by importing it. Geomagic Design can import almost any CAD file, whether standard or proprietary format, so incorporating parts from almost anywhere into your designs is easy. The software can also directly edit features on any imported solid, so let's change the radius of this hub that was created in another CAD package. Assembly constraints are extremely intuitive. For this hub, all we have to do is select the two faces or reference geometries, and Geomagic Design's Quick Align tool completes the alignment automatically, and then keeps us in the tool to select the next alignment type. If you want to use an assembled file to guide the creation of new parts, Geomagic Design supports top-down design. We'll add a new sheet metal part into this assembly and use geometries from the existing bodies to help place it. Since everything is history-based, it's easy to go back in and edit objects to add features or edit dimensions manually, or use the Design Dimensions option to bring back any dimensions we used when creating the file. To confirm that our pulley assembly will perform correctly, we can use Dynamics for Geomagic Design, a motion analysis module included with the software. All of our assembly constraints carry over from the assembly, so we don't need to recreate them. In Dynamics, we can add motors and joints, watch how the assembly will function, and analyze acceleration and interferences before we make our first prototype. Once our new part is finished, we can go back to editing the assembly and save the new part. Geomagic Design can link the parts we've created to an engineering drawing to document it for manufacture. It's easy to select drawing templates and add standard views. If it's a sheet metal part, like this, we can add a flat pattern view to see how the object looks before it hits the metal press. This view can also be exported as a .dwg or DXF file to send directly to a laser cutter or plasma table. Datums, dimensions, GD&T callouts, and other annotations can be added to the document simply by selecting the edge they apply to. The best part of this is that the drawing is dynamically linked to the model, meaning that as parts evolved in the iterative design process, the document updates in the background to reflect any changes made. Now that we have a finished working model, Geomagic Design gives us the option to save as a keyshot file so we can apply photorealistic rendering to add materials, scenes, and lightings for that finishing touch. Since Geomagic Design is made by 3D Systems, printing your designs as prototypes or end-use parts is easy. Exporting print-ready models takes just a few clicks. No matter what you're making or how you're making it, Geomagic Design is the easy-to-use, powerful mechanical CAD software that will help you make amazing products. Try out Geomagic Design for yourself by visiting our website and signing up for a free trial.